Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 19, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.8 cents, down 5.86% with volume up 56.54%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.6 cents and a low of 11.9. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,410,977,000 which is down, and a trading volume of 38,294,000 which is up. Etherscan is showing 307,476 holders, up 70. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 40.28%, number 2 is OKX with 12.08%, and number 3 Coinbase with 10.59%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 200,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.